So thank you very much for your time, sir.
Always a pleasure.
So in what way the new series of LaserJet printers are supposed to be quite revolutionary, very much re-engineered after say decades? So what are the salient features these new printers carry with them?
So, like I mentioned, I think the biggest thing that we have got into these printers is something what we call as Jet Intelligence features, and Jet Intelligence has a component of five parts to it. The first, most important part is that the improvement that we've done on the toner technology, and in very simple words, it melts at a much lower temperature. That helps energy consumption, because the printer does not need that much energy to heat up at that level. At a lower, it heats up at a lower stage and helps in the energy conservation. So all the energy around the toner particles that has been done for crisp printouts, faster printouts, comes through the toner particle itself. The second key feature that we built in the Jet Intelligence was all around giving more pages from the same size of the toner. So because we reduced the size of the hardware by up to 40%, that also meant that we shrunk the size of the toner cartridge. But when we shrunk the size of the toner cartridge, the innovation that we did on the toner particles itself and the quantity of toner particles that we could squeeze inside, helped up to 33% more printouts for the customer. So that's the second thing we did. The third thing in Jet Intelligence was all around energy consumption, saving of energy and energy efficiency. The fourth thing was all around print gauge meter. So for example, this Jet Intelligence can tell a customer as to what level the cartridges are at, what is the user pattern of printing, and then can recommend the number of pages left in that entire in that toner. So that's the print gauge meter. The last thing was ease of use, in which, if you remember, in the original toners earlier on, when you took out the printer from the toner from the box, you have to remove a pull tab and then fit the toner in it. Here you have to just take the toner and put it inside the machine, and the machine does that on its own. So all these five things is part of Jet Intelligence, and this is the huge launch that we have done, which is all captured under one device, giving all these benefits to the customer.
So in number of ways we see many features which have been drawn from traditional copier kind of systems. The same level of intelligence you have infused in these new machines. So what do you think on this perception?
So in a way you could be right, but if you remember, the copiers are for very, very high-end usage. We've got it more accessible to the larger world or SME customers, to a larger. These things are very relevant to smaller side of the customers also. So we made it more relevant to a larger set of customers and not restricted them to just very high-end customers.
You have integrated very high security definition in these products. So what message would it give to the enterprise customers about security involved in this?
So security, as we all know, is a very critical need now from a customer standpoint. Earlier on, the security features, like you said, were only available on very high-end machines. Now we are bringing it to more affordable levels, so that those kind of features are available at more entry-level play. So for example, a small thing on my 252 that I've launched, is a USB walk-up to printing. So if there's something very confidential you need to print, you can walk up to the print device, put your USB, and take a print out. So that's a very unique security feature, indirectly built in. Otherwise you could have not done that.
And wonderful. And sir, what about this new HP Proactive Print Advisor service? In what way it will be helpful to customers?
So if you see, the Proactive Print Advisor is a list of lot of features that a customer can benefit. For example, usage of the department, usage of the organization, who's using more black, who's using more color, which department is using more, using less. So it gives a lot of intelligence around downtime on the printer. So this entire Print Advisor is a tool that really helps the customer manage the printing fleet in an organization. Is what it is.
And lastly, as these new products have lot many features, your channel partners need to understand these features properly so that they can communicate effectively with customers. So what are the training programs you will be, formulating for your channel partners so that they become more aware of these
So
things?
very good. So our standard process is that anytime we launch a product, it's very important that all our stakeholders understand the benefits of this. So we have a standard training team that conducts this information flow. Our marketing departments will send a lot of communication out to all our channel partners. We will train our sales people who will further train the partner, sales people. So all of that will come put together will help us transmit this information down to the last chain.
It has been nice talking to you, sir. Really appreciate it, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank